Hi, what's up everybody, Sami here. So in this video, let's take a quick look at the Redmi Note 13 Pro. I will just cover everything about it. So watch to the end for my conclusion. Let's get started. Alright, start with unboxing. I have 3 of them. So this is the packaging. This is pretty like a typical Redmi packaging, right? Some information there. Shows you the storage. Okay, let's just unbox it. So the first layer is pretty standard. We have some paperwork, a pen, you know, also a phone case. Ooh, this time the phone case is like so good, to be honest. I like this kind of non-transparent. This looks more premium and protects your phone better, right? So this is like how it looks like. Okay. And then we have the phone, and also we have the Type A to Type C cable. Finally, this gigantic 67 watt supercharge. That's basically the unboxing. Now let's get to the phone. Well, first let's go through what the colors for the Redmi Note 13 Pro. So these are all the 4 colors of this time. We have the white, I don't know, purple, black, and this blue version. Let me tell you my favorite one. My favorite one probably because it is this white one, because it looks elegant and seems like not either to gather fingerprints or smudges at all, and it just looks so good. This one is great. The least favorite is this one because it's slippery and got this, you know, easy to get it dirty. Yes, but of course you probably will have a phone case, but yeah, this is the one I'm not fond of. This blue one is very beautiful, as you can see. This matte finish looks elegant and expensive, you know. All right, so just let me know which color do you like. Alright, that's what the colors. Now let me just walk you through the design. So yeah, this is the, you know, with this flat design. Some of you like it, some hate it. My personal view is it feels okay because it's not like totally square or something. As you can see, it has this kind of slight curved on the edge, so it's not that, you know, it's not gonna give you a really harsh cutting feeling. It's alright, it's just alright, especially with the phone case, so it's alright. But whether you like it is your personal preference, right? Check this out. We have the 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker, mic, denoise mic, and also the infrared blaster. Wow, it's 2023. What are you gonna ask for with all these features, right? And move to the right side, we have the power key, the volume rocker. Move to bottom, we have the speaker and also a Type-C charging cable, Type-C port, also the SIM card tray. Let me show you what's the SIM card type. Yeah, be careful, don't poke this code because this is the mic. Alright. Dual SIM card, dual standby, does not support SD card expansion. Move to the back, we have the camera module, and obviously that 200 megapixel main camera is the main highlight. There's a printer right here, and for the other 2 lenses are 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. And speaking of the camera, let me just show you the interface of it. So here is the interface. As you can see, we can see the 200 megapixel directly right here, and we'll test more later, you know, both indoors and outdoors. And here the video. So for the video, it supports up to 4K 30 fps, okay, not 60 fps. As you can see, it's not traceable, so it's 4K 30 fps. That's the max resolution. And also, okay, let me show you a little bit more. As you can see, it has this steady video. When you turn on the steady video, it only supports 1080 30 fps. There is also an option called steady video. When I turn that on, you can only like use resolution 1080 30 fps. Okay, let's test a little bit more. Let me run. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's it. And that is basically the interface. As we have the micro. Ooh, wow, really, really close. And that's the micro. Okay, video, photo, ultra wide, 2x4, and all the way up to 10 times. All right, and this portrait. Okay, this is selfie. Let me just take some selfies. Looks fun, not overly processed, but it does make me more beautiful or something. But anyway, what's light and more. As this is a prototype, it's a demo machine, so probably there are more functions at later. Now let me just show you some of the samples. Let me test the video stabilization. It has the standard stabilization. And we're testing this kind of well-lit indoor 4K 30 fps standard stabilization. Seems not bad, right? The background looks not like overexposed or something. But when I move to the sky, seems like a little bit washed out. Okay. Ooh. Anyway, let's just run. Okay, let's try that 200 megapixel camera. Woo! One time. Okay. Yeah, still looks a little bit slow. Let's just do 2 times. Okay, let's just do a little bit more. 2 times. 1 time. 200 megapixel photo, and let's just take a normal one. I will just zoom the same times to see which one has a high definition. Okay, that's the photo. All right, we are running the Antutu Benchmark for the Redmi Note 13 Pro. Just check out how good it is. Wow, so that is the screen on the 13 Pro. Wow, looks gorgeous, right? All right, and that is the Antutu Benchmark for the Note 13 Pro. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, and this is the score for CPU, GPU, MEM, and if you are interested in the specific score, and the highest temperature 41.6 temperature. Not bad. Okay, and that pretty much sums up the Antutu Benchmark. Okay, and that's it. Alright, the last thing you may care about the Note 13 Pro is its audio quality. So here we go.
酷吗？我给你看个更酷的。Yes, Dad.
No, bump it up. You got to bump it up. Don't you know? Bump it up. You got to bump it up. Don't you know?
Alright, that's the video. What do you think about it? And to be honest, that's just crazy. Just Xiaomi just put all other budget phones in a dilemma, right? Like this is probably the best budget phones on the market right now. 200 megapixel camera, durable design, and a bunch of other things. So yeah, but how about the Pro Plus? You can find in my next video. And that's for now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.